How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to check screen time on Samsung. So what you want to do is open up your settings, scroll down until you find the Digital Wellbeing on Parental Control section, and then here it brings up your screen time. So if you press on the time at the top, that opens up your dashboard and you can see a day by day overview of your screen time. Also, if you press the apps in the top right, you can filter it by which apps you spent the most time on. So if you pick a day and then select view all, you can see which apps you're using the most. And then if you think it's too much time, you can set a timer for the app. So for example, if you're spending too much time on Facebook, you can come down, press Facebook, and then set a timer. So that's how to check screen time on Samsung. Thank you for watching.